In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Analytics data, and it will only take about 5 minutes. Whether you're a website owner, a digital marketer, or someone delving into data analytics for the first time, this quick guide will simplify the process for you. First, let's get started by navigating to the Google Analytics homepage. You can easily find it by searching for Google Analytics tools and solutions in your preferred search engine, or simply go to marketingplatform.google.com. Once you're there, you should see an option to sign into Analytics. Click on that and log in using your Google account. It's key to ensure you have the appropriate permissions for the account you're accessing, so keep that in mind. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Google Analytics homepage. From here, look towards the sidebar on the left, where you'll spot the word Reports. Click on it to proceed. Now, as you're brought to the next page, things might start to look a bit more complex. Don't worry though, we're going to take it one step at a time. Now locate and click on the option labelled Acquisition. This section is specifically important for understanding where your users are coming from, a crucial insight that can hugely impact your business strategies. Within Acquisition, you will find Traffic Acquisition. Clicking on this will take you to an overview of detailed traffic data. Here's where the exciting part begins for those of you looking to extract this data. Look for an option called Share. Clicking on Share will open up a menu with options. This is your entry point to export data. When you're ready to export, click on Download File. You will then need to choose the format in which you want to export your data. Google Analytics offers several options. You can go with PDF, Excel, Google Sheets, or CSV format depending on what suits your needs best. It's always a good idea to consider beforehand how you will use this data and select the format that aligns best with those goals. Remember, exporting data can slow down the application slightly, but once your download is ready, you'll see it appear in your browser's download area. Always ensure that you have downloaded the data correctly by opening the file and checking that all the necessary information has been captured. And that's it. With your data now exported, you can delve into it using spreadsheet software or share it with your team. Enjoy analyzing your website's performance in much more detail and tweak your marketing efforts based on these invaluable insights. Thanks for joining in today, and remember to like and subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful. Happy analyzing!